Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you the difference after install BONOSS with spacers. If you are looking to improve the appearance, handling and stability, then wheel spacers should be your best choice. Bigger tires are one of the very popular upgrades for your off-roading machine. You can go off-roading with spacers without any problem. It adds more clearance to fit larger tires. As long as you use top-quality 4x4 wheel spacers and install them properly, everything is fine. Pushing your wheels outward also increases the track of your vehicle, hence strengthening the grip and the resistance to rollover. For the outlook, the wheels flush the fender, making your off-roading truck more aggressive and sporty. BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers come with active cooling grooves. When the wheels rotate, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow efficiently and continuously inside the wheel spacers to take away the heat. Therefore, it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. In this way, these BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers can improve heat dissipation efficiency and reduce safety risk during driving. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS with spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.